And there it is. There's the beast. Oh yeah. Looks like a mini G-Wagon. Give you a start up. Oh, wow. Maybe this is better. There we go. Let's go. I love how you just sit high. It's the best. And the best thing about it is it just soaks up speed bumps like it's nothing. Didn't even feel it. Ate it for breakfast, literally. Let's go left. Value for money, this car, you can't go wrong. Like, it's got a front rear lock diff, all your full drive modes, you know, 2 high, 4 low. Basically, yeah, comfort for everyday living. I reckon it's a really good car. A lot of people have been saying that the blinkers, like, they're a bit sensitive. But I find if you just let it go or just click it down once, it turns off, which is fine. So it is a little bit sensitive. That is a downside to the vehicle, but other than that, like, it's pretty manageable. Just eats the speed bumps, which is great. There's about a speed bump every like 5 meters. So this is the 2.4 turbo diesel. Honestly, it's not really underpowered. For everyday driving, I think it's perfect. Also, I know we can't really go off-roading, but I really love this feature. So it's the off-road mode. Basically, this is it here. So it basically tells you all your PSI for like tire pressure, monitors, you know, navigation, pitch, which is great too. Yeah, I think it's a really cool feature to have, especially off-roading. Yeah, just so many things that have gone into concept with this car. It's great. Guys, look how good the 360-degree view camera is. Like, this is great. You can basically just show all your modes, you know, 3D. Clear chassis, which is good too for off-roading. Like,